Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious medium-well steak at home. First, select a quality steak, ideally 1 1/2 inches thick or more. Allow it to sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes before you begin cooking. This helps ensure even cooking throughout. Don't forget to season your steak generously on all sides with salt, pepper, and any other seasonings you love. This simple preparation is key to a flavorful result. Next, let's talk about achieving that incredible crust. Heat a cast iron skillet over high heat until it's just starting to smoke. Then, add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like canola or grapeseed, to the pan. Carefully place your seasoned steak into the hot skillet. Sear each side for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. You're looking for a beautiful, deep brown crust to form, locking in all those wonderful juices and flavors. After searing, it's time to finish your steak in the oven to reach that perfect medium well doneness. Transfer the seared steak to a preheated oven set to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook it until the internal temperature, measured with a reliable meat thermometer, reaches between 150 and 155 degrees Fahrenheit. Always insert the thermometer into the thickest part of the steak, avoiding any bone, for the most accurate reading. The final and arguably most crucial step is resting your steak. Once it reaches the desired internal temperature, remove it from the oven and let it rest on a cutting board for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the juices, which have been pushed to the center during cooking, to redistribute throughout the entire steak. Finally, slice your perfectly cooked medium-well steak against the grain for maximum tenderness and a truly enjoyable eating experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.